let's talk about growth. Now, every cleaning company owner wants growth in their cleaning company, right? It's normal. But with all due respect, so few really understand what it is. And I think when people think about growth, they immediately think of new business, bringing in new clients, new sales, new contracts, finding more leads, more prospects, and consuming all of them until you're this huge cleaning company. And that is part of it. New business is obviously a part of it. But don't have your blinkers on and just think about new business, because that's not all the growth is about. Growth has to be sustainable. What is the point in you picking up clients and then losing them straight away afterwards, or losing them within 6 months, something like that? And yeah, there's always going to be natural churn, but growth isn't just about new sales. Growth is about so much more than that. Growth is about retention. So growth isn't just about new business. Growth is about understanding that everything needs to grow. Everything, not just new business, retention, your skill set, your capabilities, your team's capabilities, your strategy, your systems, your processes. Everything has to grow together.